Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a foot file callus remover. First, prepare your feet for filing. Begin by soaking your feet in warm water for about 10 to 15 minutes. This helps soften hardened skin and calluses, making them easier to remove. You can add Epsom salts for a spa-like experience. Always ensure your foot file is clean and dry before you start, promoting hygiene and effectiveness for your foot care routine. Now let's talk about the filing technique. Hold your foot file firmly and apply light, even pressure to the rough areas, typically the heels and balls of your feet. Use gentle, circular, or back-and-forth motions, focusing on one spot at a time. It is crucial not to overfile. Stop when the skin feels smoother, not raw or irritated. Overfiling can cause sensitivity or even injury, so proceed with care. After filing, proper aftercare is essential for maintaining soft, healthy feet. First, rinse your feet thoroughly with warm water to wash away any loosened dead skin particles. Next, pat your feet completely dry with a clean towel, ensuring no moisture remains between your toes. Finally, massage a generous amount of rich, hydrating foot cream or lotion into your feet to lock in moisture and keep them feeling smooth and supple. To maintain your results and keep your feet healthy, consistent care is key. Always clean your foot file with warm water and mild soap after every use, then let it air dry completely. For intensive callus removal, limit sessions to once every 1 to 2 weeks. For daily maintenance, consider a gentler pumice stone. Wearing comfortable, supportive footwear also helps prevent new calluses from forming, keeping your feet happy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.